أعوذ بالله أنا لا عمل
بقى انتهى عندي خطأ. تمام. Very good والله.
Okay.
Let me ask you to read them, but let me share my screen first.
Okay.
You can start. تين في البيت.
متى تبقين في بيت.
Yeah, when do you
when
stay?
do I see an house? أبقين.
أبقى.
أبقى في بيت في الليل بعد صلاة المغرب.
Perfect. أبقى في البيت في الليل بعد صلاة الفجر. متى تنتهين من العمل؟ متى تنتهين من العمل؟
أنا لا عمل هذا الشهر.
في الغالب يعني usually when do you
okay. عملي من الساعة 8 إلى
So weird that Good morning, Dookie.
Why is everybody on her phone but her?
Huh?
Last night I called her and Papa's answered. Why is everybody on her phone but her?
She's right here. No, I literally am right here. She's doing my makeup.
When you come in to get
No, is Xavier did answer the phone. I heard him.
He was like, she's asleep, and I was like, all right, well then I'm hanging up. You getting that done right now?
At 10:30, she's doing my makeup right now.
Let me know when you coming so I can be on my way home or here already.
Do you have Google Meet? Do you have?
I do have
Google
that.
Meet so you can FaceTime. I'm at to call you on the Google Meet.
Child, what the?
This parking lot is being recorded.
So we're going to be studying how to recite properly the Quran. So we're going to start, inshaAllah, from, does anybody know what tajweed is? Has anybody heard those terms before?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
You have? Okay. You want to tell us what that? You just heard it. You don't know what it means of tajweed. Okay. I'm not trying to call anybody out. I'm just saying that in order to do it properly, I have to hear you clearly. So if you make any kind of error, I can correct it now. You won't leave here with that error, inshaAllah. Understand what I mean?
Yes.
أعوذ بالله
أعوذ بالله
أعوذ بالله
أعوذ بالله
من الشيطان
من الشيطان
الرجيم
الرجيم.
بسم الله
بسم الله
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Now be careful because it's not rock man, like a man throwing rocks. No, that's not what it is. It's rock.
Rah.
Like you at a sport, you see rock like that. Rock man, not rock man, okay?
أعوذ بالله
من الشيطان
من الشيطان
الرجيم.
الرجيم.
بسم الله
بسم الله
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
الحمد
الحمد
لله
لله
رب
رب
العالمين.
العالمين.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Okay, it's not alhamdulillah, it's alhamdulillah. You hear the difference? It's alhamdulillah.
So they can watch whatever they want.
Yeah, you Xfinity, right?